So hello Lakocheros! For today's video, we are going to Fukuoka City in Japan. So Fukuoka is the southernmost part of Japan and we will bring you there through this video. So let's go. It's around 6:30 p.m. Fukuoka time at kakalapag lang namin dito, and as you can see, sobrang ganda ng city lights nila and nakaka-amaze talaga yung feeling pag nasa ibang bansa ka. Kaya we are very excited for this trip. We'll start off from Fukuoka going up to Sapporo. But now let's focus on Fukuoka.
1 hour.
So ito na nga, upon arrival, kailangan mo lang mag-fill out ng immigration and customs declaration forms. Then after that, we are getting our luggage. And when we got our luggage, the first 3 things to do in Fukuoka, number 1 is to rent a Wi-Fi, pocket Wi-Fi. So, ang first namin na in-inquirean is itong Wi-Fi box. And we'll see among sa aming mga na-inquire ko magkano yung pinakamura.
1 day price. So, times 8 or physical SIM. 8 6,000.
So next, yung next namin na in-inquirean is itong Te Wi-Fi.
It's costing to return date is what return date?
19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9. In this day, can you return here?
Yes, return here. How much?
9 days is
9 days, 7, 9, 20.
unlimited data.
How much is the gig?
Unlimited.
Unlimited.
Yes.
Can be used here Fukuoka to Sapporo?
Sapporo?
Yes.
Okay. Can you return again here?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
No problem.
Alright. So this one.
Okay. So,
And the last one na in-inquire namin is yung Ninja Wi-Fi. We'll see sino yung pinakamura doon tayo kukuha.
9 days.
9 days.
They're cheaper. For 620. Ay, no, wait. Let's go for 6.
28.
28.
Yes.
Sorry, 10 days. Today's
That's 10 days, yes.
Yes.
Oh, that's
Counted
already.
today.
So, 10 days at 7,150. 8 gig per day.
Is that unlimited?
No, 3 gig. No. 3 gig.
3 gig only.
3 gig.
7,150.
How much ito?
So ayun na nga guys, among the 3 na in-inquire namin ng pocket wifi rental, nakapili na kami kung ano yung pinakamura. At yung napili namin ay itong Te Wi-Fi. Yan, siya yung pinakamura na napili namin. Dito lang siya katabi ng 7-Eleven. So when you go down after customs, dito mo siya makikita malapit sa 7-Eleven. Ang pangalan niya is Te Wi-Fi. And for only 4,000 Japanese yen, that's more or less nasa 2,000 Philippine peso. At saka 10 days na siya na unlimited. So, hindi siya 3 gig, hindi 4 gig per day, but unlimited. So, sulit na siya. And up to 5 devices yung pwede niyang makonect. So, it's a good deal for us. Next, dito kami sa tourist information para bumili or magtanong regarding the JR Pass.
Kyushu Rail Pass
okay.
at Hakata Station,
But not the
Japan
JR.
Rail. Yeah.
Oh, we need this one because we'll be going to so many areas in Japan.
Okay.
Our last stop will be Hokkaido.
Oh,
Yes.
So, yes.
10 days.
10 days.
10 days.
Yes.
Yes.
So,
Go to Hokkaido?
yes. So we will be moving from one city to another
Yeah.
every 1 or 2
You're
days.
not gonna take a flight.
We're not gonna take a flight.
Yes.
So we're gonna experience
Okay.
the high-speed rail. This one.
Okay.
So yeah.
So we need to reserve
You
first.
register the Japan Rail Pass first,
Yeah.
and then exchange it to the ticket at the Hakata
Station. Alright.
There's a
Okay.
JR Pass counter.
So we can't go to Hakata Station and buy directly the JR pass. We need to reserve first.
Right.
After Crossroad, there is a bus stop number 1, and you can take a free shuttle bus. The bus goes to the domestic south directly, and this is the first stop, and you can change to the subway there. because subway station is at the domestic airport.
Okay.
Mm.
Okay.
So this is a domestic airport, and second stop is Hakata station.
Hakata. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So we are here, we go there, we
Mm.
cross the street, we take this bus. This is for free. We can take this, we can ride the bus for free.
Yes.
And then we stop here,
Domestic.
domestic.
South.
And then from here, this is where we are, if we are here, and then 2 stations away.
Yes. Sure.
Hakata.
Sure. Do you need this?
Okay,
No.
we will.
Alright.
We'll take it.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
Have a good.
So ayun na nga guys, after that, dito kami sa money exchange at try naming papalit yung 2,000 Philippine peso.
So our rate today, including commission fee, Japanese almond,
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4,240 yen.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Dito yan sa Travelex. Katabi lang din siya ng tourist information counter. Ayan. So yung 2,000 Philippine peso is equivalent to 4,000 Japanese yen. Supposedly, dito kami pipila sa ATM machine, pero ang haba ng pila kaya hindi na lang. So nung pagkalabas namin ng airport, finalo namin yung instructions. Merong free shuttle bus from international airport going to domestic airport, kung saan nandoon naman yung subway train station going to Hakata station. So naglakad lang kami ng konti, and dito sa waiting area, hinintay lang namin yung free shuttle bus that will lead us or that would bring us to the domestic airport. So ito na yung bus guys, sasakay ka lang dyan, that's for free, and that will bring you to the domestic airport kung saan nandoon yung subway train station. And since wala pa kaming JR pass, bumili na lang kami ng one-way single trip ticket. And dito pumila kami, and dito lang sa machine, very easy lang siya. So for 2 persons, yung total na binayaran namin is nasa around 1,200. And yung 1,200 na yon divided by 2, nasa around 600 Philippine pesos. Yung one-way na train ticket from the Fukuoka International Airport or domestic airport going to Hakata train station. So just insert the bills. And then, ayan, lalabas na yung single way na train ticket mo. And then, get your change. Ayan. So, when you enter, ipasok mo lang yung ticket. Ayan. And, you can pass by na. And dito nga, sasakay na kami ng train. And from domestic airport, 2 stations away lang yung Hakata station, kung saan nandoon naman yung hotel namin. So before kami lumabas, dito na kami sa Hakata station, nag-inquire muna kami again ng JR Pass kasi we learned na hindi pala pwedeng magbili on the spot, kailangan mo magpa-reserve. So hindi nga kami nakabili, kaya our next option is to buy the Sugoka Commuter Pass, yung parang IC card. So yung minimum amount is 2,000 Japanese yen, and kasama na doon yung card at saka yung pang fare credits. May kasama na siyang fare credits na worth 2,000 pesos na pwede mong i-swipe when you are going from one station to the other. Ayan. So, 2,000 per card. At saka, I stand corrected guys, 500 pesos pala yung deposit niya. So, 1,500 lang yung laman niya. So, if ubos na yun, pwede kang mag-recharge. Ayan. So, let's try it. 2,000 pesos yung Sugoka card. So, ang gagawin mo lang, you insert your bills, and then, ayan, get your change and get the card. So, ganun lang kasimple, Sugoka IC card. Okay, let's try it one more time. Nag-insert ako ng dalawang tag 1,000 Japanese yen kasi nga worth 2,000 yung card. ipaprocess lang yun ng machine, and after that, lalabas na yung Sugoka card natin. Ayan. So, we're good to go. Sinundan na namin tong Nanakuma line na may green na sign sa floor. And then, palabas na kami ng subway going to our hotel. So, thank you for watching, guys, and see you on our part 2 of our Fukuoka vlogs. Bye! Thank you for watching.